Oh, dude, it smells so stupid.
Keep going, just keep going.
You can't film me when I do this. I'm stupid. I just want. Look at you. You're already on. Oh god, it hurts. Oh, Megan! She look. You flipped it! Did you? Yeah.
Oh no, I missed it.
You flipped, didn't you?
Yeah, but you wouldn't let me flip, so I missed whatever you did.
Oh, I can. I can't do that.
Just keep going, you're almost done. How you feel?
It's good.
I already did it. I didn't fall.
You look so stupid. I don't know how you guys do that. Look how was that?
Stop!
Introducing.
So a while back when we bought this, I don't know if you guys remember, but Christian said I could hit him with this and I'd record it. He suggested it, not me. So we're gonna do it. You reminded me today. Let's see how this goes.
Wait.
Ready?
Don't hit his face.
Ready?
Tell him when you're gonna do it so he can flex.
On 3.
I'm gonna count.
1.
Ow, that would freaking hurt, man. You suck. You didn't even break it. Do you want me to do it?
That hard.
Let me do it.
No, I'll do it again. Okay.
Let me do it after this.
I'm not good at batting. Okay. Ready?
She's gonna do it on this one.
Megan, that was too high.
Oh! No, just kidding.
Oh.
Ow. Let me see. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. You can see him. Look at this mark is right there. Ow. Man, that would have hurt so badly if it wasn't. If the towel wasn't. I almost want you to hit me without the towel though.
Do it.
I'll let you.
No, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna sting.
Wow, David just did that for the camera.
Okay, well then do it.
I mean,
No, I'm good off that. No, heck no, that's gonna hurt. I'm good. I'm good. Let's do it with you.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it. Come on, Katya. Come on. Come on, Captain Hook, come on! I hit it pretty hard.